Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Happy New Year to all of you, and I hope you had nice Christmas holiday break. So we're going to do some of the farmhouse DIYs today. For DIY number one, I'm going to use this farmhouse sign, and I'm going to use the back part with white chalk paint. I think 1 to 2 coats were good enough, and after while it's drying, I'm going to take one of this wooden crate, and I'm also doing the same. I'm giving like 1 or 2 coats of white chalk paint there, and this is one of the galvanized rooster sign, and I'm going to give like a black chalk paint all over it. 1 coat was good enough. While that's drying, let's decorate this board, and I'm just giving like little distressed effect there by giving like paint patches here and there, and I also dry brush this black chalk paint all over it. Now I'm going to attach this painted wooden crate onto the base of this kitchen cutting board sign. I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue and I'm sticking to the base of it like you're seeing, and I'm going to take this rooster just above the crate. I'm attaching with the hot glue like you're seeing, and those holes I didn't like those holes, so I'm going to fill hot glue into those holes, and I'm going to give like a black chalk paint on top of it, and this will also give like a nice nails effect there. I got this silk screen stencil from Amazon, and I'm just taking one piece which says farm fresh eggs with a rooster in the corner. So I just wanted to fill this with the black chalk paint, and this is the moment of reality. Love how the stencil transfer the design on it. Now I'm going to fill some of the Spanish moss into the crate with some eggs that I got during Easter time. I just saved it for this project, and I wanted to attach white and black buffalo plaid pre-made ribbon from Christmas collection. I didn't like it, so I'm just going with this flat black and white buffalo plaid ribbon, and I'm just taking one piece and I'm making a loop just like that, and I'm going to bend it in the center, and I'm going to take another piece and to give the tail of the bow just like that, and I stuck it with the hot glue on top to finish the look. And I also filled some greenery along with this eggs to give like a nice farmhouse farm fresh eggs crate there. And I just love how this sign turned out, and I wanted to do this project from a long time, and I saved those Easter eggs, and this sign, kitchen sign, was already lying in my stash, so I brought it all together and made this cute farmhouse sign, and I absolutely love this end result. I hope you would like it too, so please let me know your thoughts. This video will be part of Love of Crafting, and this is hosted by Amanda from Six Kids and a Glue Gun and Brenda from Rustic Lace and DIYs. I'm going to tag their crafting channels in my description box, as well as link to the huge playlist for a lot of ideas. And please watch all of our videos and give a lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this, I'm going to take one of this a sign from Dollar Tree, and this is already having like a nice beaded garland on top. I'm going to pull that out, and I'm going to paint black and white onto this beads colors. First, let's start with painting the border with white chalk paint, because the black background, I want to leave it as is. And I'm just taking one of this cow galvanized sign, and I just painted white chalk paint on top of it. 2 coats were good enough, and I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue and sticking to the base of this sign. And the same thing, I just didn't like those holes. I just filled with some of this hot glue with the white chalk paint on top of it. Now he needs a cute bow. I just created a simple bow by knotting it down, and I just stuck it to his neck. And these are the beads that I wanted to paint with this black chalk paint, and I also did with the white chalk paint, and I alternated those beads. And I'm going to stick with the generous amount of hot glue to the back of the sign, just like that. Now, I could have stopped at this point because it was looking nice as is, but I wanted to give more decoration. So to the center of the cow, it was plain. So I wanted to, give this silver screen stencil. I just cut on one sign which says like, "Welcome to the farm." I'm going to, fill with this black chalk paint again. And this didn't transfer so well. It had like black patches here and there. So I'm just filling this white chalk paint to actually correct the design, and you're going to see that in just a second. And this is how it turned out after all the white chalk paint has been filled here and there to correct the design. And yeah, this is how it turned out. I also distressed dry brushed the black chalk paint on the borders to give like a little distressed look there. And this is another cute farmhouse sign, and I'm very much happy how this turned out, except the stencil part. This could have come a little better. And yeah, this is one of it, and please let me know. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to use one of this home sign from Dollar Tree, and this is also a farmhouse sign. So I'm just going to paint the center wheel with white chalk paint. I gave 2 coats to get like nice coverage, and to the base I'm just going to paint the white chalk paint also. Now I could have used painter's tape to cover those black letters, and I could have carefully done no, but I didn't choose to do that. So I carefully painted those base, and then after it dried, I just took one of this black and white gingham ribbon, and I'm going to cover the base just like that to give like nice farmhouse look there. And I just took some of this eucalyptus greenery and some white flowers to finish the look. Isn't this a pretty farmhouse sign? I just love how this turned out, and it's such a simple and easy decoration to add to all the collection today, and I absolutely love this. I hope you like it too. Please let me know. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, I'm going to use one of this garland that I recently got from Dollar Tree, and this has cute farmhouse decoration already, and I wanted to paint black chalk paint onto those farm animals. There are 3 animals, if you can see. One is cow. On top of the cow there's a pig, and then there's a rooster on the top. This is like a traditional farmhouse farm animal sign. So I just wanted to give like a black chalk paint to the galvanized metal, and then I dry brushed white chalk paint on top of it. And this is another cute farmhouse garland from Dollar Tree. I wanted to use those gingham beads in between my garland, so I'm just going to pull off all these beads, and I'm going to insert white and black beads back together in an alternate way. And I'm going to insert one of this cute gingham printed bead to give farmhouse garland effect there. And after I inserted all these beads, and I'm going to attach to this whole of this farm animal sign, and I'm going to knot it down a couple of times. And to insert it, I used a little bit of a hot glue to create like a to give like a needle effect there. And this had helped me to insert those to the beads. And I created a cute bow with one of this black and white gingham ribbon, and I attached to the tassel part, and this completes this beautiful farmhouse style garland. I absolutely love how this turned out, and yeah, this is another addition to all the DIYs today. I hope you like it too, so please let me know. Let's move on to DIY number 5, the final one, and this would be a quick hack like always. And I just took one of this farmhouse sign which has like a farm animals on it and says farm fresh, and this is one of the fridge magnet which already had like a buffalo plaid background to it. So I'm going to attach this farmhouse sign where I actually colored the borders with black color chalk paint, and I gave like black patches here and there to give distressed look there. And I'm going to keep it simple. I took one of this black and white gingham ribbon, and I gave like a simple knot there, and I'm going to give ducktail the edges, and I'm going to attach to the top of the sign to call it done. Isn't this pretty? I think I like it. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts too. These are some of the social media handles again if you'd like to connect with me there. So let's move on to the final reveal. And I'm so happy how all these farmhouse style DIYs turned out, and I wanted to do this DIY from a long time and didn't get a chance, and this is one of the time that I wanted to display all my farmhouse style DIYs here, and I absolutely enjoyed making this DIYs. I hope you would like it too. If you like some of these ideas and you would like to join with the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And I would like to take a minute to thank all of you for watching this video and making my day. Thank you so much, you guys. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again, and Happy New Year to all of you.